Imagine a complex, interconnected network working tirelessly to ensure your safety. Welcome to the pharmacovigilance ecosystem, a critical safety net in healthcare. Let's explore the key players who form this vital safety web. First, our frontline heroes, healthcare professionals. Picture a dedicated nurse, a vigilant doctor, each serving as a critical first line of defense. Their role goes far beyond treatment. They're the eyes and ears of drug safety. When a patient experiences an unexpected reaction, these professionals don't just treat, they report. Every adverse drug reaction they document is a potential lifesaver. They meticulously monitor patients, tracking even the subtlest changes, ensuring no safety signal goes unnoticed. Next, we have pharmaceutical companies, the guardians of drug safety. Far from being passive observers, they're active safety investigators. Imagine teams of researchers and safety experts working around the clock, processing every reported case with microscopic precision. Their responsibilities are extensive: signal detection, where they identify potential safety trends; case processing, where each reported incident is thoroughly investigated; and ensuring regulatory compliance. They're not just developing drugs, they're protecting lives. Enter regulatory authorities, the watchful sentinels of public health. Think of them as the strategic commanders in our safety ecosystem. They don't just create guidelines, they shape the entire landscape of drug safety. They develop comprehensive safety guidelines, make critical decisions about drug approvals, and can take swift regulatory actions when risks are identified. Their mandate? Protecting public health at the highest level. But here's the most powerful player: the patients themselves. No longer passive recipients of healthcare, they are active participants in their own safety journey. Patients today are informed, engaged, and empowered. They report side effects, share their experiences, and follow safety guidelines. Each patient report is a crucial piece of the safety puzzle, helping improve treatments for millions. The pharmacovigilance ecosystem isn't just a system. It's a collaborative, dynamic network where every stakeholder plays a critical, interconnected role in ensuring medication safety. Together, they transform potential risks into opportunities for safer, more effective healthcare. Now, let's explore a case study. From theory to real-world action, let's dive into a compelling case study that demonstrates the pharmacovigilance ecosystem in motion, the modern safety net in action, a true story of how vigilance saves lives. Imagine a newly launched diabetes medication, promising breakthrough treatment for millions. Everything seems perfect, until something unexpected emerges. Initial signal detection. It begins with a whisper, a handful of spontaneous reports from healthcare professionals describing unusual neurological symptoms in patients taking the new medication. Most would overlook these as isolated incidents, but not in our pharmacovigilance world. Pharmaceutical safety teams spring into action. They don't just collect reports, they analyze them meticulously. Statistical algorithms cross-reference patient data, medical histories, and reported symptoms. What seemed random starts to form a pattern. Within weeks, they confirm a rare but serious adverse reaction, affecting approximately 1 in 10,000 patients. The signal is clear. This medication poses an unexpected neurological risk that wasn't detected during clinical trials. Regulatory authorities are immediately notified. Swift and precise, they don't just wait, they act. A comprehensive safety review is launched. The medication isn't immediately withdrawn, but strict monitoring protocols are implemented. Patient protection measures. Here's where the pharmacovigilance ecosystem truly shines. Healthcare professionals receive detailed communication about the potential risk. Patients are informed, given alternative treatment options, and closely monitored. The pharmaceutical company initiates a proactive risk management plan. They update medication labels, provide additional training for healthcare professionals, and establish a dedicated patient support program. Let's recap our journey. We've seen how multiple stakeholders, from patients to regulatory authorities, work in concert to ensure medication safety. Each report, each investigation, each action is a thread in a complex safety net.
In our next module, we'll explore the historical evolution of pharmacovigilance, a fascinating journey of how we've transformed from reactive to proactive safety management.